歡迎收睇 Learn Cantonese Literally 20 questions to ask your new friends. 1. 1. What's your name? 你叫乜嘢名啊？你叫乜嘢名啊？2. 2. What do you like to do in your usual daily life? 你平時鍾意做乜嘢啊？你平時鍾意做乜嘢啊？3. 3. Which district do you live in? 你住喺邊區啊？你住喺邊區啊？4. 4. Where do you work? 你喺邊度返工啊？你喺邊度返工啊？5. 5. You aren't a Hong Konger, so where are you from? 你唔係香港人，咁你係邊度人啊？你唔係香港人，咁你係邊度人啊？6. 6. Do you like living in Hong Kong? 你鍾唔鍾意住喺香港啊？你鍾唔鍾意住喺香港啊？7. 7. Do you like to do sport? 你鍾唔鍾意做運動啊？你鍾唔鍾意做運動啊？8. 8. What kind of sports do you like to do? 你鍾意做乜嘢運動啊？你鍾意做乜嘢運動啊？9. 9. Do you like hiking? 你鍾唔鍾意行山啊？你鍾唔鍾意行山啊？10. 10. Where do you usually go hiking? 你通常去邊度行山啊？你通常去邊度行山啊？Now try to translate these 3 sentences into Cantonese. 1. Where do you do sports? 2. Where do you like to live? 3. Do you like to go to work? The answer key can be found in my shop at Buy Me a Coffee. You can also download the full version of the audio file of this lesson. There are additional literal word-by-word and sentence-by-sentence English translations. 11. 11. What do you like to eat? 你鍾意食乜嘢啊？你鍾意食乜嘢啊？12. 12. Do you like to cook? 你鍾唔鍾意煮嘢食啊？你鍾唔鍾意煮嘢食啊 13. 13. Do you prefer taking transport or walking? 你鍾意搭車定係行路啊？你鍾意搭車定係行路啊？ 14. 14. Do you have any pets? 你有冇養寵物啊？你有冇養寵物啊？ 15. 15. Where are some good places to go in Hong Kong during the day? 香港日頭有邊度好去啊？香港日頭有邊度好去啊？ 16. 16. What is fun to do in Hong Kong at night? 香港夜晚有乜嘢好玩啊？香港夜晚有乜嘢好玩啊？ 17. 17. What is there that's good to eat around here? 呢度附近有乜嘢好食啊？呢度附近有乜嘢好食啊？ 18. 18. Would you like to have a meal together? 你想唔想一齊食飯啊？你想唔想一齊食飯啊？ 19. 19. Where do you want to go to eat? 你想去邊度食飯啊？你想去邊度食飯啊？ 20. 20. And the last one. Can we stay in touch? 我哋可唔可以保持聯絡啊？我哋可唔可以保持聯絡啊？ That's the end. Now try to translate these 5 more sentences into Cantonese. 4. Where do you usually live? 5. Where do you go to eat usually? 6. Do you want to go hiking together? 7. What is fun to do around here? 8. Do you like daytime or nighttime? Answer key can be found in my shop at Buy Me a Coffee. In the lesson package, you will also find the audio file with additional literal word-by-word and sentence-by-sentence English translations for all 20 sentences covered, so that you can listen and learn everywhere without having to look at the screen. Support my project and get the full audio version and the answer key. That's all for this time. Thank you and see you next time. 多謝，下次見。讚好、留言、訂閱 Learn Cantonese Literally 啦。